Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to do a factory reset of a Samsung Galaxy S22. To wipe all data, to do a factory reset, we need to go to Settings. Then we are looking for our general options, General Management here. And in this menu we are looking for our reset function. We have few options here. Reset all settings, networks, accessibility settings, but we are interested in factory reset, so factory data reset. What does it do exactly? We have short explanation here. Reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data, including files, downloaded apps, contacts, etc. So we need to go here. All these options will be reset, as you can see. Reset now, delete all, and our phone will turn on in a few minutes. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.